Top 9 Essential Camping Gear for Disaster Preparedness. Welcome to BlackStar Survival, where we equip you with the knowledge and gear you need to handle any emergency, whether natural or man-made. Today, we're diving into the top 9 essential camping gear items that are crucial for disaster preparedness. First on our list is the tent. In a disaster scenario, having a reliable tent provides immediate shelter from the elements. It's essential for staying safe and dry. Choose one that's easy to set up and durable enough to withstand harsh weather conditions. Next, we have the sleeping bag. A high-quality sleeping bag is vital for maintaining body heat during cold nights, especially if you need to evacuate your home. Look for a sleeping bag with a temperature rating suited to your climate, and make sure it's lightweight and easily portable. A comprehensive first aid kit is a must-have for any emergency. It allows you to treat injuries and manage medical emergencies on the spot. Make sure your kit includes essentials like bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any specific medications your family may need. Access to clean water is often compromised during disasters. That's why it's crucial to carry a supply of water and a water bottle. Investing in a high-quality water filtration system can also ensure a steady supply of clean water. A durable, reusable water bottle is key for carrying and storing water effectively. A multi-tool is indispensable in emergency situations. It provides the necessary tools for a variety of tasks, from building shelters to repairing gear. Look for one that includes knives, pliers, screwdrivers, and more, all in a compact form. Being able to start a fire is crucial for warmth, cooking, and signaling for help. Make sure you have a reliable fire starter in your emergency gear, whether it's waterproof matches, a fire starter kit, or a fire striker. Lightweight and compact, emergency blankets are designed to reflect body heat and provide insulation. They're essential for staying warm in unexpected cold conditions and can also be used as ground cover or additional shelter. Proper clothing is vital for protection against the elements. Pack outerwear that includes moisture-wicking base layers, insulating mid-layers, and a waterproof outer layer to stay dry and warm. High-quality outerwear can make a significant difference in your comfort and survival during a disaster. Insect-borne diseases can be a significant risk in many disaster scenarios. A reliable bug spray helps protect you from bites and potential infections, ensuring you can focus on staying safe and managing your situation. By incorporating these essential camping gear items into your disaster preparedness plan, you'll be well equipped to face any emergency with confidence. At BlackStar Survival, we're committed to providing top-tier survival gear to help you and your loved ones stay safe and resilient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit BlackStarSurvival.com for your preparedness needs and like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more survival tips and gear recommendations.